In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add food in MyFitnessPal, a handy step-by-step guide that will help you keep track of your nutrition easily. Whether you're new to this app or need a little refresher, I'll walk you through each step of the process to ensure you can seamlessly log your meals and snacks. To get started, you'll first need to open the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone or tablet. If it's not on your home screen, try searching for it in your app library. MyFitnessPal is a popular app available for both iOS and Android devices, renowned for its user-friendly interface and extensive food database. Once you open the app, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This usually means typing in your email address and password. Make sure you've got these handy, as this step is essential for accessing your personalized account. If you've forgotten your password, most apps, including MyFitnessPal, provide a quick link to reset it easily. After entering your details, click Login again. You'll be directed to the home page, which often displays a summary of your progress, recent activities, and offers options to navigate through various sections. Now, look for the diary feature. You'll find it usually at the bottom menu of the home page, represented by a little book icon. Your diary is where the magic happens. This is the central hub for all your nutritional records. Here's where you can add all the foods you've consumed throughout the day. Once inside the diary section, locate the Add Food button. This is typically positioned at the top of your diary entries, where you can select from different meal categories like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. On clicking Add Food, you'll be prompted to search for the food you want to log. MyFitnessPal includes an extensive database with thousands of food items you can choose from. Type in the name of the food item you wish to add. The search feature is robust, often including popular foods as well as many branded products. You can also manually input foods if they're not listed, making it quite flexible. After finding the food item from the search results, notice the little plus sign beside it. This plus sign is your friend here. Clicking this will add the selected food to your diary. Make sure to double check the portion size to ensure it matches what you actually consumed, as this will help you maintain accurate records. And there you have it. You've successfully added a food item to your MyFitnessPal diary. By regularly updating your diary, MyFitnessPal provides insights into your eating habits, helping you achieve your nutrition and wellness goals. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking.